हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। हियर आई केम विथ वन हीट कंडक्शन प्रॉब्लम यूजिंग क्रैंक निकल्सन मेथड. So the crank Nicholson method, this is the finite difference approximation on the heat equation. So what we do, just first try to understand the domain. What domain is given here? So here x equal to 0, x equal to 0.2, 0.4, h equal to 0.2 is given. So 0.6, 0.8 and 1. Fine. And time level k equal to 0.04. So this is the first time level, t equal to 0, and this is t equal to 0.04. This is the next time level, and the boundary condition u0t means x equal to 0, y axis in this wall u equal to 0 throughout, and if you take here u1t, so here also u equal to 0, and the both vertical boundary u is 0, and on the x-axis for this point u is given u x0 equal to sine pi x, sine pi x. So here sine pi x means sine 0, u equal sine 0 0. Here we have sine 0.2 pi, so sine 0.2 pi, so this is a 0.5877, the value of sine 0.2 pi, and sine 0.4 pi will be 0.9510, and 0.6 pi again 0.9510, and 0.8 pi 0.5877, and sine pi 0. So this is the boundary condition is given, and if you write the notation, so we have this node is, we say u00, this we say u10, this is said u20, and u30, u40, and u50. So 0 is the, and for next node for this point we have u11, for this node u21, for this node u31, u41, and u51. So the crank Nicholson method is relation between u of j level and j plus 1 level, so 0 level and the first level. So that for what is the lambda here, so lambda equal to we have alpha square, lambda equal to alpha square k by h square. So here alpha square is 1 is given, 1 into k equal to 0.04, h equal to 0.2, so 0.04 equal to 1. So lambda equal to 1. For crank Nicholson method, the simplest form is lambda is 1. If you are not getting 1, you may adjust the value of h and k and try to get the 1, lambda equal to 1. So this will give simplest form of crank Nicholson method. Now if you see that, do you remember, please refer my previous video for a crank Nicholson formula. So this is the your 2 minus 2 lambda coefficient, here lambda, here 2 plus 2 lambda, and here minus lambda, here minus lambda. So this was the coefficient. So this is your u ij, and here we have u ij plus 1. This is the ui plus 1 comma j. here ui minus 1 comma j, here ui minus 1 j plus 1, here ui plus 1 j plus 1. So this is the Crank-Nicolson formula. Now let us try to use this Crank-Nicolson in that this problem. So I'll write that Crank-Nicolson formula here. It's very easy if you remember the table. So we have 2 plus 2 lambda uij plus 1 minus lambda u minus 1 j plus 1 minus lambda j plus 1 equal to lambda ui minus 1 j plus 2 minus 2 lambda uj plus lambda ui plus 1 j. So lambda equal to 1 here, lambda equal to 1. So we get 4 ui j plus 1 minus ui minus 1 comma j plus 1 minus ui plus 1 j plus 1 equal to ui minus 1 comma j. So lambda equal to 1 here. So this is 0. So we get ui plus 1 comma j. Now let us put j equal to 0. J equal to 0. So we get 4 ui 1 minus ui minus 1 1 minus ui plus 1 1 equal to ui minus 1 0 plus ui plus 1 0. Now for I equal to 1 we get the first equation. So I equal to, we get first equation, so that will be 4 u11 minus u I equal to 1, so u01 minus ui plus 1, so 2 1 equal to u00 plus u20, u00 plus u20. Now let us see the boundary condition. So here u01 means 0, u01 means 0. So x equal to 0, so this is the y-axis time level, this is 0 here, and u00 is 0, and u20 means sine 0.4 pi, sine 0.4 pi. So for that we have 0.9510. So you can see here u20 is the 0.4, so sine 0.4 pi equal to 9510. So the first equation we got it, 4 u11 minus u21 equal to 0.9510. I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 2, so we have 4 u21 minus u11 minus u31 equal to u10 plus u30. So now these 4 are unknowns. This side sine 10 means sine 0.2 pi, and sine 30 means sine 0.6 pi. So this you simplify, so get 1.388. So your second equation 4 u21 minus u11 minus u31 equal to 1.388. Now I equal to 3. We have u4 u31 minus u21 minus u41 equal to u40 plus u20. So u40 means sine 0.8 pi plus sine u20 means sine 0.4 pi. So this will be 1.388 again. So we have third equation, 4u31 minus u21 u4 equal to 1.388, and the last we can get last equation, I equal to 4. So we have 4 u41 minus u31 minus u51 equal to u50 plus u30. So u41, what is the u51? u51 means this is 0 at this is the u50 means at x equal to 1 line, u is 0, and u50 this is also 0, and u30 means sine 0.6 pi. So the equation 4 u41 minus u31 equal to 0.9510. So this is your fourth equation. Now let us see. So we got the 4 equation for this 4 unknown, 1 2 3 4 unknowns we have. We got 4 equation. Now if you use the symmetry, if you see the boundary condition, so if you use the symmetry, so your u1 equal to u31 and u2 equal to u, if you see the symmetry, so we have u11 equal to u41 and u2 equal to u31. So we have symmetry, u1 equal to u4 using the boundary condition. You see 0.5877, 0.5877, 9510, 0.9510, and this side also u equal to 0, u. So we have symmetry along this line. So u11 equal to u41, u21 equal to u31. So using the symmetry, we can get u11 equal to u41 and u21 equal to u31. So using the symmetry and all 4 equation, we can get u21 equal to u31 equal to 0.6460, 0.6460, and u11 equal to u41 equal to 0.3992. So this is answer. Thank you.